Save our planet. California county bans genetically modified crops. Lake County in Northern California has joined a trend of local California counties in prohibiting the cultivation of genetically modified crops. The ban is intended to protect the county's predominantly organic farms from potential contamination by the genetically engineered varieties. Bravo, Lake County and others in California, for your sanction of the intricate natural balance that connects all life. Through this respect given to the environment, may heaven grace us with many years of sustainable life ahead.
The spread of a dozen diseases characterize climate change. The phenomenon known as red tide, seen in recent years off the coast of Namibia, has been identified by the Wildlife Conservation Society as just one of a dozen harmful conditions with the potential to spread due to global warming. Red tide, as it is commonly known, causes widespread loss of life among fish, birds, and marine mammals, and may also cause human illnesses and mortality. The other 11 diseases identified spreading in response to changes in temperature and precipitation levels are avian flu, babesia, cholera, Ebola, intestinal and external parasites, plaque, Lyme disease, Rift Valley fever, sleeping sickness, tuberculosis, and yellow fever. Wildlife Conservation Society, we appreciate your careful research and timely warning about the increasing malaise associated with a warming globe. We pray that more sustainable lifestyles will be swiftly adopted to stabilize the natural balance of our Mother Earth.
Public health could benefit from pollutant cleanup. According to a study conducted by independent US-based environmental group Blacksmith Institute, along with Green Cross Switzerland, some of the world's most prevalent and dangerous pollution conditions are reversible and ultimately preventable. These include toxic waste, air pollution, ground and surface water contamination, metal smelting, car battery recycling, and gold mining. With a 2007 study from Cornell University, USA, finding that 40% of all fatalities are directly linked to pollution, Blacksmith Director Richard Fuller stated that the need to address this situation is clear. Our hats off, Director Fuller, Blacksmith Institute and Green Cross Switzerland, for your comprehensive evaluation. May our focused efforts, together with the forgiving resiliency of the earth, yield brighter days ahead for all.
Woodland Trust works to save disappearing forests. A report released on Tuesday found that ancient woodlands are disappearing faster than the Amazon rainforest, with over half being lost in the last 80 years, and another 600 ancient woods now threatened by proposed urban expansion. Campaign Director for the Trust Ed Pomfret stated, "Ancient woodland, designated as over 400 years old in England, is the UK's equivalent of rainforest. It is irreplaceable. It's our most valuable space for wildlife and home to rare and threatened species. Once these woods have gone, they will never come back." We express our deep appreciation, Director Pomfret and Woodlands Trust, for your illumination of the treasured woodland's true value. May your concerned voice bring ever more preservation of these respected life-giving treasures.
Research warns of downsides to water-intensive fuels. A study by Dr. Carey King and Dr. Michael Weber from the University of Texas, USA, points out that some alternative fuel sources, such as hydrogen or ethanol produced from corn, require considerably more water for their production than petroleum-based fuels. As this could further stress already low water supplies in some areas, the study recommends more sustainable sources, such as wind and solar, as the basis for powering alternative energy vehicles. What a significant finding, Drs. Weber and King. Let us all hasten our steps toward more truly earth-friendly energy resources for the greater ease and comfort of fellow beings.
The low-cost, natural, and abundant orange peel appears to have promising use in effectively removing acidic dyes from industrial wastewater, thus preserving the environment.
The European Union agrees on the importance of protecting the disappearing bluefin tuna through fishing restrictions and stronger overall industry measures.